Good morning to all. This is Dr. Anantaya, working as Associate Professor in KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. In part of Engineering Physics, today I am going to discuss general wave equation. This is very important to calculate velocity in case of string and so on. So for that we need to calculate general wave equation. So our topic is general wave equation. Let us consider wave moves along the x direction with constant amplitude. Here I am going to draw. Let us consider this is x axis, y axis, this figure number A, and second one is x axis, y axis, origin O, figure number B. In both cases amplitude is same, that is capital A. Figure number 1 at t equal to 0, this is t equal to t. If you observe carefully in figure number A at t equal 0, let us say this is starting wave. In case of B, it is moves from origin some distance, x distance along the x direction with velocity v with time t. We know that the product of velocity and time is distance, right? So this wave moves along the x direction from origin, distance is vt. In this case, from Galilean transformation, we can write x dash equal to x minus vt, y dash equal to y, z dash equal to z, t dash equal to t. There is no change in y component, z component and t component. There is a change only in the case of x component, that value x dash equal to x minus vt. In this case, figure A case, function y equal to, we can write fx. In figure number B case, y equal to f x dash. That implies, apply Galilean transformation, y x dash equal x minus vt. Whenever wave moves along the positive x direction, in that case y can be written as y equal f of x minus vt. This is positive x direction. Similarly, in case of negative x direction, we can write y equal to f of x plus vt. This is negative direction. Whatever may be, we can write y equal to f of x plus or minus vt. Let us say equation number 1. This is represented spatial equation. What is the meaning spatial equation? it refers to the space. I want to refer to the time, that is called temporal equation. I am going to consider it is in temporal, that is y equal f of temporal case. We need to write this Vt as a first part, Vt plus or minus x. This is temporal equation. Now, I am going to do differentiate with respect to t 2 times of equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect t, that is dy by dt, which is equal, this is f of x, right? Differentiation of this function with respect to t. Now we will get here v. Similarly, again once more we need to do differentiate with respect to t, that is d square y by dt square, which is equal to v into f double dash Vt plus or minus x into v. That implies d square y by dt square, which is equal to v square into f double dash Vt plus or minus x. Let us say this equation number 3. Now, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So, what is the equation 2? Y equal to f of Vt plus or minus x, right? Dy by dx equal to f of Vt plus or minus x differentiation f dash Vt plus or minus x into 1. Similarly, do the differentiate with respect to x. Once again, d square y by dx square equal to f double dash Vt plus or minus x. Let us say equation number 4. Now, equation 4 substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 implies d square y by dt square equal to here v square, instead of f double dash Vt plus or minus x, we can write d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square, since from equation 4. Therefore, d square y by dt square equal to v square into d square y by dx square. This is called general wave equation.